Carrying heavy objects and packages can really hurt and cause you serious injury. The solution? This folding hand truck that can handle up to a whopping 165 pounds. Perfect for use at home, business, or auto. This hand truck is so strong that this model can actually stand on the handle without it breaking. So many ways to use this at home. Move boxes, luggage, groceries, and more. Climbing hills is no fun with a heavy backpack. With the foldable hand cart, you can easily climb the hill without the strain on your back. Need to unload some heavy items from your car? The hand truck will make your life so much easier. Even in the office, moving boxes or files is a simple task. The included yellow strap is great to keep your items secure when loading more than one. Storing the hand truck is simple and easy. First, place your foot in the center of the hand truck's platform, on the wheel cover just between the two arms of the handle, and apply foot pressure while pulling the extended handle toward you. Now simply press the button at the top of the handle and depress the handle until it is fully returned to the storage position. The hand truck can be stored in the bag provided or even in your backpack. Look at how much space you save storing our hand truck versus the typical hand truck. And it takes up almost no room in a closet or on a shelf.